Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Auth0 for securing VPS-hosted dashboards, full guide step by step clearly. To begin securing your VPS-hosted dashboard with Auth0, start by creating an Auth0 account if you haven't already. After logging into your Auth0 dashboard, click on the Applications section in the sidebar. Select the Create Application button to initiate a new application setup. Choose a name for your application and select the Single-Page Web Applications option. Click the Create button to proceed. Once your application is created, navigate to the Settings tab. In the Settings tab, take note of your domain, client ID, and client secret. You will need these details for your application configuration. Next, scroll down to the Allowed Callback URLs field. Add the URL of your VPS-hosted dashboard where users will be redirected after authentication. Do the same for the Allowed Logout URLs and Allowed Web Origins fields. Make sure to include all necessary URLs for complete functionality. Save your changes by clicking the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. Now, proceed to configure your application's backend. Install Auth0 libraries in your project using your preferred package manager. For example, if you are using Node.js, run the command npm install express JWT code. Next, import the necessary modules in your application files. In your server configuration, set up the Express framework to handle authentication routes. Create a route for handling authentication requests using Auth 2.0. Use the Auth0 endpoint for authorization requests by specifying the required parameters. Ensure to include your client ID, client secret, and the desired scopes. Next, implement the callback route to handle the authentication response. In this callback, retrieve the authorization code and exchange it for an access token. Utilize the Auth0 token endpoint to fetch the access token by sending an HTTP POST request. Once you receive the access token, store it securely for future API requests. Implement middleware to protect your dashboard routes by validating the access token. Use a JWT library to decode and verify the access token on each request. If the token is valid, allow access to the protected dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.